दिनै मुलुगनां आबहावा सानखौ क'क्राझारनि ब्रह्म बाबा टेक्न' स्कुलावबो फालिदों। मुलुगनां आबहावा सान फालिनायनि लोब्बायै दिनै गाहाय फोरोंगिरिफोरनि दैदेननायाव ब्रह्म बाबा टेक्न' फरायसालिनि फरायसाफोरा माखासे हाबाफारि लानाय जादों। फरायसालिनि फोरोंगिरिफोर आरो फरायसाफोरा दिनै बेफोर फरायसालिनि सोरगिदिं बिफां गायनाय हाबाफारि लानायखौ नुनो मोन्दों। लोगोसे फरायसालिनि सोरगिदिं साखोन-सिखोन खालामदों। बेनि अनगायैबो बेनार, फेस्टुन लानानै रायजो राजाफोरनि गेजेराव आबहावा रैखाथिनि फारसे सांग्रांथि लाबोनो थाखायबो हाबाफारि लानायखौ नुनो मोन्दों ब्रह्म बाबा टेक्न' स्कुलनि फोरोंगिरि आरो फरायसाफोरखौ।
Happy Environment Day to all of you. As the theme for this year is putting an end to plastic pollution. So from our side, from the students of BBTS and the teacher fraternity, we have started a small campaign along with the planting of trees and other. And a small awareness campaign is being conducted from our side so that we can bring the awareness in people that how much plastic is destroying our world, how much of plastic is being used in everyday life and what it is doing to our animals, to our plants, to the whole of environment. It is just an effort. We are crying out to the people out there to help us in this effort of us. Thank you.